and execute the program. I can design two waves. First wave is of sine and second is of cos. And I can set label also. Because I am writing here label is equal to sine x. And in second, I can set label is equal to, in single quotes, I can write cos x. Then release it and execute the program again. I can represent the contents. This one is the content, sin x and cos x. Is it okay? This one is the basic content. I have already discussed how to design the graph, how to design multiple graphs, basically, nothing else. And one more content is there. I have already discussed, that is lens space. I would like to repeat that part also. This one is the first part and second part. Again, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. This one is the content. And second is import numpy as np. And third one, if required, import math. These are the three import files. Suppose I am writing x is equal to np dot linspace. Suppose I am writing here minus 3, 3, 30. What is the meaning of this? It means in between minus 3 to 3, 30 values are there. I can set accordingly. And here, suppose I am writing plt dot plot x, x square. Then let the color is green or blue, indicated by circles, and then dashes are there. Suppose this one is the content, and then title. Here I have to write upward parabola. Suppose this content is there, then plt dot show. I have already discussed these contents. I'm just repeating the content. Okay. Attribute line to the object has no property title. Okay. What I have written in previous label. Okay. Label is there. Yes. Label is required. Now execute the program. Yes, it's okay. This one is upward parabola. Similarly, I can design a downward parabola. For that, plt dot plot, and I can write x, then minus x square, like this. Then some color is there, green, and star, then dashes. Set as label is equal to downward parabola. Is it okay? Is the content clear or not? These are the previous contents. Just a revision of the previous topic. Is it okay? Upward and downward parabola is there. Any doubt in these programs? This one is from previous data. Any doubt in these programs?
No, sir.
No, sir, it's okay.
Okay. Suppose I have to design these graphs separately in blocks. Then what to do? This one is the target point. Now, the third part. Again, import file is required. Matplotlib. From this program onwards, this one is the new content. Pyplot as plt. First and second program is just a revision. And after importing the file, suppose I am writing here plt dot subplot inside brackets. Suppose I am writing 2 to 1. Now, what is the meaning of this basically? Suppose I execute the content. You can see one block here. Is it okay? If I am writing plt dot subplot 2 to 1, one block is there. Now, what is the meaning of this block and how I am writing this 2 to 1? This one is the question. Okay. One more content is required. Suppose I am writing import numpy as np and some values are there. X is equal to np dot arrange minus 6 to 6 or 7 minus 6 to 6. These values are there. plt dot subplot 2 to 1. Then I am writing plt dot plot and then x comma. Suppose I am writing x here and color is suppose red. This one is the content. Then execute the program. You can design one graph inside this box. Basically, target point is what is the meaning of 2 to 1. Suppose I am copying this one and then pasting here. Here I am writing 2 to 4 and the color is, let this one is green, and here I am writing minus x here. Then execute the program. What is the change here? Any idea? What is the meaning of 2 to 1 and what is the meaning of 2 to 4? Any idea? Any idea what is the meaning of 2 to 1 and what is the meaning of 2 to 4? Suppose I am designing two more contents. Okay. Let's paste this one and paste this one. Here I am writing 222 and here I am writing 2 to 3. And suppose the value is equal to x and then 7x. Here I am writing minus 7x. Suppose this one is the content. Let the color is blue and here the color is suppose magenta. Suppose these are the colors. Suppose I am executing this program. Now 4 graphs are there. Any idea how I am designing these graphs? Any idea? Any idea how I am designing these graphs? What is the meaning of subplot and what is the meaning of 2 to 1? 2 to 1 basically, what is the meaning of 2 to? First 2 and 2 represent 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns are there. If I am writing 3 into 3 into 1, what is the meaning of that? It means 3 rows and 3 columns can be designed. In next program, we will do that part also. Basically, the total part, this one is the graphical content, this one is the graphical block. And in this graphical block, basically, I am separating this block into 4 parts by writing 2, 2. 2 into 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns. And what is the meaning of first one? It means inside first block, I can design this graph. And you can separately give title to these contents. Suppose I am writing here plt dot title and inside bracket, suppose I am writing parabola, upward parabola. I can separately give title to this graph and execute the program. You can give the title to this program, this content, this block, first block. And similarly, you can give title to second, third, and fourth. This one is second, this one is third, and this one is fourth. Here I can write a straight line in upward direction, or straight line number 1, like this. Here I can write straight line number 2, or any title, whatever you want to write, you can write. And this one is downward parabola. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I am executing this one. Look at this content. Is it clear? Is it clear? 4 graphs are there. 4 separate graphs are there. This one is the target point basically. In previous content, what we are doing, we are designing the graph in single block. But in this program, we are designing in different blocks. Look at this one. These are the different blocks. Is it okay? You can change face color also. Face color. Suppose I am writing here red, and let the color is white here. And execute the program. I'm changing the face color of fourth block. This one is there. The face of fourth block is red, and the graph is of white color. Is it okay? Is the program clear or not?
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
सर सर अगर ये plt डॉट प्लॉट x x स्टार x x की जगह पे अगर y रहे तो फिर वो चेंज करेगा या फिर सेम रहेगा?
Y is not declared at the top. Y is not declared at the top.
Oh.
Look at this one. X is declared. This one is the value of Y basically, nothing else.
Yes, sir. I see.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Getting my point or not? Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. PLT dot show. This one is the complete content. Now the next part. I'm repeating again. First one is this graph content. Means multiple graphs are there. And what about second one? Second one is using linspace, nothing else. And third one are subplots. Is it okay? These are the 3 contents. Now the fourth content. Suppose I have to design 3 into 3 graph. We can modify this content. First of all, these values. These are the basic values. Let's copy this one. After that, suppose I am writing here the next category. This one. Okay, let's copy this one and paste here. Suppose I am writing 3, 3, 1. Is it okay? Is it okay? Suppose I am writing 3, 3, 1. Then copy this one and paste here. Suppose I am writing 3, 3, 2. And again paste here. Suppose I am writing 3, 3, 3. What is the meaning of this? 3 contents are there basically. Downward parabola. And suppose I am writing x square and then x. It means left-handed parabola. And execute the program. Look at this one. Now 3 blocks are there. First one, second one, and third one. Similarly, we can design another block. Another blocks may be with 3, 3, 4, then 3, 3, 5. 9 blocks are there basically. If I am writing here 3, 3, 5, and then 3, 3, 9, and execute the program. Look at the positions. This one is first position. Here second position is there, second, third, then fourth, fifth position is there. Then sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. Total 9 blocks are there. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is this
Yes, sir.
content?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, grading of this content. One question is there from your side. Then how to design grids. That part. How to design that part. Okay. These are the basic contents required. Now, what about the next program? Suppose one block is required here, or one grid is required here. Inside that grid, I have to design these graphs. Then what to do? Suppose 3 variables are there. One is A1, second is A2, and third is A3. Suppose 3 variables are there. Okay. For first variable, PLT dot upplot to grid, and inside this, suppose 3 into 3 matrix is there. And what I have to design, I have to take the first block. The first block start from 0, 0. Block is 0, 0. This one is the block. If I am taking the value in subplot to grid, if I am taking 3 into 3, it means the values are from 0, starting with 0 and ending with 2, similar to array. Is it okay? If I am copying this content and pasting here, the second content, suppose I am writing 1, 1. What is the meaning of 1, 1? This location, the second location, second green location is equal to 1, 1. And the third one, PLT dot upplot to grid, inside bracket, what I have to write? 3, 3. Then the last value is 2, 2. 2, 2. This one is the value. These are the 3 grading values. Then execute the program. You can see 3 blocks. Is it okay? 0, 0 stands for first block. 1, 1 stands for second. Means all the diagonal elements are there. Is it okay? These are the diagonal blocks. And after that, suppose I have to make graphs inside these blocks. Then what to do? Simply, I have to write this code. This code is required. Suppose I am writing this one. This one is the code. But some changes are required here. It's not plt.plot. Basically, what I have to do, I have to design plot inside A1. It means I have to write A1.plot. Is it okay? I have to write A1.plot. And after that, plt.show. And execute the program. I can design graph inside first block. Similarly, if I have to design the second content, just copy this one and paste here and paste. Second graph, A2.plot, and third one is A3.plot. Suppose I am writing here -xk, here x square comma x, and execute the content. You can change the color. And execute this value. Is it okay? Is the content clear? This one is using subplot to grid, and previous one is using subplot only. You can apply any method. This one is also okay. And this one is also one method, nothing else. Is it okay? Whether this content is clear to you or not. 3300. What is the meaning of this? 33 means the total size. And what is the meaning of 00? This one is the first block. 00. Zeroth row and zeroth column means first row and first column, basically. This one is first row and first column. This one is second row and second column. This one is third row and third column. How to design this content means how to design multiple contents, basically. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more content is there. The students can ask. Let's copy this one and paste in next window. This content. Suppose I have to design. These are basically 9 blocks. Suppose I am writing here row span is equal to 2. Now, what is the meaning of this? I am just giving the idea, then execute the program. Look at the change here. What is the meaning of row span is equal to 2? Any idea? Any idea from the output?
सर आई थिंक वाई एक्सिस का जो लेंथ है वो सर दोगुना हो गया है.
Row span is equal to 2. It means we are taking 2 rows. We are taking 2 rows.
Yes,
If I am
sir.
writing column span is equal to 2. Column span. It means I am selecting 2 columns starting from 1. Look at this one. I am selecting 2 columns. If I am writing column span is equal to 3, it means the first diagram is inside 3 columns. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is
Sir,
the
yes,
content
sir.
clear or not? Suppose I have to design. Let us check the output now. Suppose I am going to delete this. This one is suppose not required. Is it okay? Suppose this one is not required. I am writing here column span is equal to 2, comma, row span is equal to 2. Suppose I am writing this one. And I am deleting this second content because this one is not required here. And execute the program. Look at the output now. What is the meaning of this? It means inside 2 rows and 2 columns. The first graph is there. And what about the second graph? Second graph is only in the last block. Suppose I have to design this graph in all the 3 contents, in all the 3 rows. Then what I have to do? I have to write here row span is equal to 3 and execute the program. Row span is equal to 3. Okay. I have to start this content from 0, 2. Okay. After that, I have to execute. Is it okay? I have to start from this block. After then, row span is applied. In the last block, you can't apply row span. because the next row is not there inside this block. Is it okay? Is it okay? Suppose I have to design one more graph inside these blocks, these two blocks. Then what to do? Can you give me the idea about writing this code? Any student? For A2, suppose I have to design a new block inside this code. Then what to do? PLT dot subplot to grid, and inside bracket 3,3, then starting point. What is the starting point here?
0,1. 0,1.
0,1. No, it's 2,0. 2,0. Because third row is there and first column is there. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
This location is third row and first column, 2,0. And after that, what I have to write?
Call span is equal to 2.
Yes, exactly. Column span is equal to 1 is required. And after that, I have to write the code. Here I have to write A2, and suppose any one content is there. Suppose 5x is there, and color is equal to, let us say, green. And execute the program. Is it okay? Is the gridding clear to all of you or not? One more content is required. Basically, this one is how to club the boxes. Basically, merging of boxes is there. This one is known as merging. This one is the blocking content. You can design separate blocks. This code is there. And this one is how to merge the blocks. Is it okay? Up to this point, any doubt? Up to this point. So that
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
सर अभी यहाँ पे A2 में 5 है और मतलब पिछले वाले में 7 था, तो सर इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है?
कौन सा
स्ट्रेट
5
लाइन
और
जो
7?
अभी A2 में सर जो x,5 है वो स्ट्रेट लाइन.
Just an equation, nothing else. You can write any equation.
कोई भी
One is
नंबर ले
5.
सकते हैं.
Yes, you can write any number. Suppose I am writing 15 here. No issue. This one is only the graphical content.
Okay,
This one
okay,
is the
sir.
equation. Just a minute. I will explain that. Let's open one new window. Is it okay?
Okay,
I'm
sir.
going
Okay.
to explain especially that content. Let's open new file. This one is the content. Let's save this one. Day 4 and program number 8. Suppose my target is to design equation of the line. Is it okay? Suppose the target point is you have to design equation for 3x plus 7y is equal to 18. And second one is you have to design equation for 5x square plus 7y is equal to 21. And third one is 5x minus 11 y square is equal to 39. Is it okay? So the target point is to design the equation of these lines. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Suppose this one is the requirement. Basically what we have to do, we have to solve some critical problems. Suppose I have some multiple equations. Then what to do? Suppose I have to draw the graph of Taylor series. I have to draw the graph of Maclaurin series. I think you have already completed these series inside first semester. What is the meaning of Taylor series? If you know about that content, what is the meaning of exponential series? All the contents are there. If you have to design that particular graph, then what to do? Basically, that content is here. This one is only a sample equation. Okay. The sample value is -6 to 6. You can write any other value also, -5 to. If I am writing -5 to 6, it means the values are from -5 to 5. Now, what about first one? Suppose I am taking variable as y1 for first one. Is it okay? First one, suppose I am taking the variable as a y1. For second one, suppose here I am taking the variable as x and y1. And for second, suppose I am taking the variable as x and y2. And for third one, suppose I am taking the variable as x and y3. Is it okay? Because I can't take the same variable each time. X remains the same. You can take all the values as -5 to 5. Input values may be same, but output is different in each case. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is this content clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Output is different in all the cases. Suppose I have to design this one. Then what should I write? Y1 is equal to. Any idea? What should be there? What should be y1 is equal to? Any idea? Any idea? Can you calculate the value of y from first equation? This one is the first equation.
18 minus 3x by 7.
Yes. 18
8 minus
minus
3x by
3
7.
into x divided by
Divided by 7.
7. Yes. This one is the content. After that, I can write PLT dot plot x comma y1. This one is the content. And you can set any color and then execute the program. You can design first graph. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And after
Yes,
that,
sir.
for second graph, what I have to write? Y2 is equal to. Now,
21
okay.
minus.
Now I would
5.
like to introduce some more content inside this program. Should we try?
Yeah.
One content is pending. That is your grid content. Suppose I am going to apply grid content inside these graphs. 3 graphs are required. For that, I'm taking one variable. Okay. Let the variable is figure, and then one more variable is there, a. I'm writing here plt dot subplots, and inside suppose I'm writing 1 comma 3, and let the figure size is equal to 12 into 4. Now what is the meaning of this? Suppose I am deleting this one in the first step. Is it okay? Suppose I am deleting this one. Now execute the program first of all, so that we can understand the content. Look at this one. Now what is the meaning of this? I am designing 3 subplots. This one is basically another way of designing the subplots, nothing else. 1 comma 3. What is the meaning of 1 comma 3? 1 row and 3 columns. Is it okay? 1 row and 3 columns. And what is the meaning of figure size? Figure size 12 comma 4. If I am writing 10 comma 3, I can reduce the size. Means 10 is length and 3 is height. Is it okay? Is this content clear or not?
Yes, sir.
First content is there. After that, suppose I have to design now the three graphs. These are the three equations. I have to design three equations inside these three blocks. Then what to do? First of all, x is equal to np dot range. Suppose I am writing -6 to 1. Suppose these are the input values. After that, first equation is y1 is equal to what I have to write?
18 minus 3 star
18,
x by 7
18
minus
minus
3 star x
3 star
x
divided
divided by
by 7. Yes, this content is there. And you can do one more thing. Other than writing this equation, you can write like this also. Okay. To design the graph, A is the second variable. A is for graphical content basically. A is 0. What is the meaning of A0? A0 stands for first block, and A1 stands for second block, and A3 stands for third block. Suppose I am writing A0 dot plot, and inside bracket, what I have to write? X, comma. And inside bracket, I can write the value of y. 18 minus 10, 3 multiply x divided by 7. Is it okay? Is it okay? In place of y, I can write 18 minus 3x divided by 7. Then I can set any color. Then execute the program. Look at this one. Is it okay?
so ये एग्जीक्यूट कैसे हो गया? फर्स्ट वाले में 3 स्टार x नहीं लिखा हुआ है.
3 star x is there.
So फर्स्ट वाले में 3 into x डायरेक्ट दिया हुआ है.
First one. This one.
जो yes sir.
Actually 3 star x is there. It's just a comment. Nothing else. 7 star y is there.
कमेंट से फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
Yes. These are comments, nothing else. So here I have to write 3 star x. 3x is nothing. If I have to multiply the content, I have to write 3 multiply x. Is it okay? 3x is nothing. Is it clear? First
Yes.
graph is clear or not? Or second one. Now, one more introductory part in this program. A0 dot, suppose I am writing grid, and inside bracket true. Is it okay? And execute the program. You can see one grid here. And this one. Is it okay? Can you see the grid here?
Yes.
This content is there. And inside this one, what you can do, you can write one more thing, A0, then dot, suppose I am writing set title default grid. Default grid. Actually, we can modify the grid also. That's why I'm writing like this. In second one, I will try to change the grid design or thickness of these lines or designing of these lines. I will try to do in second part. Is it okay? Is it okay? This one is the first content basically. What about second one? A1 dot plot, and what I have to write? X, comma. What about the second statement? In second equation, it's a 21
minus 5 star x
5
by
star
divided
x
by 7.
star x divided by
7.
7. Yes. Let I am setting the color as red, like this. Okay. Then execute the program. You can design the graph inside second block, A1. And suppose I have to change the grid design. I am writing here A1 dot set underscore title, and inside bracket, suppose I am writing here custom grid. You can set the title. Is that okay? Second one. Then A1 dot grid inside bracket. Suppose I am writing color is equal to blue. And execute the program. Can you see the blue colored grid inside second one? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Suppose I am writing LW is equal to 2.5. Now execute the program. Now what is the meaning of LW? LW stands for line width. I am going to increase the line width. Is it okay?
सर इसको डायरेक्ट 5 कर सकते हैं, मतलब कि सिर्फ हमको एक लाइन चाहिए, तो जैसे कि हम लोग को एक्सेस चाहिए, दैट्स व्हाई।
Only x axis?
ये सर जैसे ये डाउनवर्ड डाउनवर्ड पैराबोला है ना,
What
तो
do you
इसके
want
लिए
to
हमको
say?
सिर्फ एक। सर ये जो ग्रिड है ना, हम लोगों को सिर्फ वर्टिकल में सिर्फ एक ग्रिड मिडिल वाला चाहिए, 0 पे, x0 पे चाहिए, तो हम लोगों को क्या पुट करना पड़ेगा?
Means only on x axis. Grid is basically the combination of x and y axis. For that we have to write some separate code. To design that content, we have to make some another content. Means basically what we have to do, we have to alter this code. This is by default content. It means the grid. If you are writing about grid, it means a combination of x-axis and y-axis is there. Is it okay? The combination of x-axis and y-axis is there. But if you would like to introduce some new concept, it means we have to write some new code. This one is not included inside grid. Is it okay?
Sir, what is meaning of LW?
LW stands for line width.
Okay.
Suppose I am writing 2 here, you can decrease the width here. You can decrease the width. Suppose I am writing LS is equal to, in single quote, dash, then dot, and execute the program. What is the meaning of this? This one is a line style. You can change line style also. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And what about the third part? Suppose I think some mic issue is there. Please switch off your mic. A2 dot. What about third plot? Any student who can give me the idea? What about third plot? What is the equation of third plot now?
सर 39 माइनस, पहले सर 5 स्टार x माइनस 39 बाई 11 अंडर रूट उसको।
Okay, then square root. Done. It means suppose I am writing here.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Suppose I am writing import. Yes. For that I have to write math. Import math. Suppose one variable is required here. Let us say y3. y3 is equal to, it means I have to write 5x. First of all, 5x minus 39 divided by 11.
11
Is it okay?
whole power 1/2.
This one is suppose a temporary variable. Let us say temporary variable. After that, I have to write k root of this value. It means let y3 is there, math dot sqrt, and inside bracket I have to write temporary variable. Is it okay? Suppose this one is the content. After that, x comma y3, and let the color is blue. Okay, let the color is white, followed by circles and then dashes. And one more thing we can do, we can change this color also. Okay, try with this one first of all. Only size -1 array can be converted to Python scalars math dot square root temporary. This one is not possible. Okay. It means we have to change something.
सर उसके लिमिट को चेंज करना पड़ेगा, जैसे माइनस वाला नहीं लेना
Yes, yes, negative. Okay, I will try to modify this one. Suppose I am deleting this one and write the equation like this one. 5x minus 39 divided by 11 is equal to y square. If I am converting this one, then I can write here x, then here 39 plus 11 x into x, then divided by 5. Now, what is the meaning of this? Any student? A2 39 plus 11 x square divided by 5 comma x. I am changing x into y and y into x. I am interchanging the values, nothing else. Is it okay?
sir.
I am interchanging the values. There is no need to write import math. Now execute the program and design this. Is it okay? If math dot square root or square root is not acceptable inside graph,
Yes.
then you can alter the content. You can interchange the value. You can interchange x into y and y into x. And after that, you can write here A2, suppose third category, dot head. Okay. Suppose I am changing some another content. Let us say color is equal to yellow, and then line width is equal to, let us say 3, then line style is equal to, in single quote, 2 dashes are there. And execute the program. You can change the content. Is it okay? Whether this grid content is clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt in these programs? Any doubt?
Sir,
First
please
program,
clarify the figure size.
लास्ट वाला सर ग्राफ में सर वो जो वैल्यू आ रहा है ना, वो ग्राफ का वैल्यू नहीं समझ आया।
this one 2040. This one These values,
यस सर, वो जो ये -6 से 6 तक जो वो
these
x
are
का
by
वैल्यू दिया
default
हुआ है।
values which are calculated by this system. These are by default values. These are the values of -6 and 6. These are on y-axis basically, because interconversion is there of values. Interconversion is there. I am changing the values from x to y and y to x in the third graph. That's why these values are there on y-axis. If I am writing here, suppose I am writing -11. Look at this one. Look at the change here. -10 to 5. These are the values. Is it okay? This conversion is there. And in this, -10 to 5 is there. Look at this one. These are the values. -10 to 5 and next value is this one. Next point is there. This one is -10 to 5. And these are the values on y-axis because I am converting x into y and y into x in the third graph. Getting my point or not? I am converting in third case x into y and y into x. That's why the points are on y-axis.
नो सर, वो मैं समझ गया सर, बट वो जो होता है ना ग्राफ, ये ओरिजिनलिटी में ग्राफ बनाते हैं तो ये एक्स एक्सिस से थोड़ा ऊपर जाता है क्योंकि 39/5 प्लस हो रहा है उसमें,
39/5
ऐड हो रहा है उस ग्राफ में। y is equal to 11
you
x
want
square by
to
5
say
plus 39/5.
that if you are designing the graph at your own level, then it will be different.
यस सर, उसको उसमें बनाएंगे तो शायद में
It's
भी
not
थोड़ा
possible.
डिफरेंट हो
It's
जाए।
not possible. This graph is the exact graph. Please try any other graph at your own level, and after that try to design inside Matplotlib. Kindly try. And if the graphs are different, then discuss with me. No issues. If you find that graphs are different, then please discuss with me. No problem. We will discuss later.
ओके सर, ओके, आई विल शो यू।
No issues. No issues. It's the learning point for me also. No problem. No problem.
नो सर, ये जो यहाँ पे ये मुझे समझ आ गया, बट वो जो थियोरेटिकल मैंने ग्राफ देखा था ना, वो y बराबर x स्क्वायर प्लस c जो होता है वो
you will do at your own level and WhatsApp me. Sir, this is the graph I designed on copy, and this is the graph I designed inside Matplotlib, and both are different. Then I will explain that content also. No issues.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, please clarify the figure size 10:3.
10:3. Okay. 10:3 basically this size is equal to 10. This size. This length is equal to 10 and height is equal to 3. And if I am increasing or decreasing this content, you can alter this one. If I am writing 7 here, look at this one. You can decrease the length of the block. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
This one is
The row size
basically
and the column size.
yes. This one
Okay.
is basically the proportionate value. Nothing else. If I am writing 9 here, you can design accordingly. This one is the proportionate value. What is the value on x-axis and what is the value of y-axis? This one is the proportionate value. This one is not the exact value. It's the proportionate value.
Okay, sir.
And inside one more thing is there. If you are writing figure size 9,3, exact size is not there inside Spider. But if you are programming inside Jupyter or Google Colab, you can find the size also. You can see the size also. What is the size of the diagram? What about how many pixels are there on x-axis and how many pixels are there on y-axis? You can clearly identify that one.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, beta. Thank you. Thanks for attending the lecture. Tomorrow, I will start with some new content regarding Python programming. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, beta. Welcome.